In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where you're unable to change your microphone input in NVIDIA. So to go and change your microphone input, the first thing we need to do is make sure we have the NVIDIA application installed. So if you haven't already, we can just head over to an internet browser, type in NVIDIA App download and press enter. Now click on this top website here, and you could just begin by downloading the official NVIDIA app. This is the most up-to-date version of NVIDIA. So if you already have something like GeForce Experience, then you'll just want to go over and swap to the NVIDIA app. So once you're on this software here, to go in and change the microphone input, we first need to click on settings in the bottom left hand side. Make sure the NVIDIA overlay is turned on and enabled like this. And once you've turned this on, we can then press Alt and Z on your keyboard to bring up the overlay. So once you see this overlay window, you can then click on settings in the top navigation, click on audio, and underneath source, you should be able to go and select your microphone. Now, if for some reason it doesn't let you pick the correct input mode, then the first way to go and solve this is just to come down to the taskbar on your computer, and you want to right click on the volume icon and click on sound settings. So we're just going to scroll down to input and make sure you have the correct microphone selected here. Then we're going to scroll down again to the advanced tab and click on more sound settings. Click on recording from this list of options, and what you want to do is go and disable any microphones or audio inputs that you're not currently using. So you can do this just by right clicking on the device and clicking on disable, and the microphone that you are using, obviously you want this turned on and enabled like this. Now once you've followed all of these steps, that should have now fixed any microphone issues you are having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.